This is a quick start guide to setting up the jet system, with a brief introduction to advanced features. Place the jet system on the conveyor structure and tighten the adjustable end. Set the height of the cleaning head around 12 to 15 mm above the belt. Check by moving the head across the whole of the belt. Turn on the power to the steam generator. All the LEDs will light up, accompanied by a short beep. Insert the adapter with the steam hose and attach the other end to the jet system. Start the heating cycle by pressing the heaters button. The light will flash when heating. Then attach the 24-volt power cord and the external steam control cord. When the steam pressure reaches around 9.5 bar, the heater light will stop flashing. Turn on the belt cleaner power switch on the panel. In this case, we want the jet system to control the steam supply, so turn the control switch to external and turn the steam switch to on. With the power connected, the jet system screen will light up. The internal computer will take a few moments to load. When the screen changes, simply touch the screen to bring up the home screen. Select New to bring up the Set Endpoint screen. By pressing the arrow buttons, the cleaning head is positioned to a starting point. When you are happy, press the green start point. Repeat for the end point. If you go wrong, simply reposition and press the input again. If you press the white button, the machine will move between those points at a default speed of 10 and the steam will be turned on. Pressing the white button again will stop the program and turn off the steam. So to recap, this time without using steam, press the screen to bring up the home page, select New. Choose your start point and press the input button. Then repeat for the other side and press the input button. When you're happy, press the white button to start the program to move between those 2 points. You can control the speed on the fly using the green up and down arrows. Notice at the bottom of the screen it shows how many minutes have elapsed. To speed up the demonstration, we're using seconds, not minutes. The basic program moves across the whole of the conveyor in one sweep. However, factors such as belt speed and the nature of the debris may mean that part of the belt are missed in each sweep. Dividing the belt into sectors can overcome this. On the ready screen, press the sectors button, then choose a number of sectors. Then select a time per sector. The cleaner will move over the next sector after this time. You can input this by pressing the number, which will take you to another screen, or you can use the up and down arrows to move the time. When you're happy, press Set. Remember, we are demonstrating this in seconds and not minutes. As the counter reaches 5, it will move to the next sector. When it gets to the end, it will stop. This is because we have loop off. To repeat the cycle continuously, choose loop on in the sectors section. Notice it only shows elapsed time rather than time remaining. When choosing start and end points, If the belt is not recessed, choose an overlap with the edge to give a better clean on the edge. When dividing into sectors, the cleaning head overlaps each sector so that you don't get gaps between the swept areas of the belt. Let us now take this to a more advanced level. Some conveyors are very long and choosing the optimum settings can be tricky, so the machine has a clever algorithm to help generate the settings automatically. This can then be saved for instant recall. Before starting the AutoCalc, we recommend setting the start and end points and deciding the best back and forth speed for cleaning the debris off the belt. Press the AutoCalc button. On the first screen, input the time in minutes it takes the belt to do one complete cycle. Press the number to enter via the keypad or use the buttons. The debris level is the back and forth speed, the fastest that gives a satisfactory clean. Next, press the white down arrow to go to the next screen. Input the belt speed in meters per minute. We do have a device for measuring belt speed, but it's not shown here. We're going to use a figure of 12 meters per minute. As a check, the system uses this to calculate the belt length. Next, input the manifold width. In this case, it is 110 millimeters diameter. Press the white button to go to the next screen. The calculation has reduced the speed to 10 with 3 sectors and a clean time of 270 minutes. By pressing save on the next screen, you can save the program in any of 20 memory registers for immediate recall. In this case, we're overwriting register 1 and renaming it Spiral. When save is pressed, you return to the ready screen. Pressing the white button will start the program. Note the elapsed time and time remaining are shown. If you press pause, recognizing a section of belt will pass uncleaned, the program will restart the sector with the remaining time adjusted. This saved program is now available at any time, even if the power is turned off or another program is in use. From the home screen, press the Saved locations, find your program and press Go. This tutorial will help you get started with the JES system. The best way to get to know the machine is to use it and experiment with functions and see what they do.